Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your OneXBet account permanently in a simple way. So let's get started. First, open the OneXBet app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now go to the bottom right corner and tap on the menu icon. After that, scroll down and click on the customer support. Inside customer support, you will see a contact section. Tap on it, and here you will find different email addresses. Now copy the email address listed under General Queries. After copying the email, go back and open your Gmail app. Tap on the Compose button in the bottom right corner to create a new email. Into Section, paste the email address you copied from the OneXBet app. Now in the Subject section, type Delete Account. After that, in the Message section, write something like, I want to delete my account permanently. You can also include your username or account ID to help them identify your account faster. Once everything is done, tap on the Send button. After your email is reviewed, the OneXBet support team will contact you and guide you about the account deletion process. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.